I'm going to show you how to right click in Parsec because sometimes the right click does not work in the host. Here's how to fix that. So first you want to make sure that your mouse and keyboard are enabled. You can go to the settings. Now you want to go to the host tab and scroll down till you find exclusive input mode and make sure to turn it off. And what you want to do next is check if the client connected to the host in Parsec has the permissions to use the mouse. You can do that by clicking on the friend list to see the connected client or friend and make sure they have mouse control checked. And if the client is already connected to a host, for example, I have my other device connected, and on the bottom here you can see on the left side guests and the Parsec icon, which is the other device connected to my PC currently. And you can see the icons here, the gamepad, keyboard, and mouse logo. If they are white, it means the permissions are granted to use these devices. If they are gray, it's not granted. And to change that, you can click on the Parsec logo and go to the mouse, click on it. If you see the X icon, that means the mouse is disabled. And if you see a check mark, that means it's enabled and the mouse can be used, and therefore you can right click the mouse. And that's how you do it. Subscribe if you find this video helpful, and see you in the next one.